Hey yo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to climb a mountain around Rejang Lebong Regency. And for these videos, especially for these videos, I'm not going to climb the mountain alone, but I have a friend. Especially in this video, I'm going to do like a collaboration with Station. Station is one of the organization in the State Institute for Islamic Study, EIN Churuk. So we will going to do like collaboration to get a top of that mountain. What mountain it is? Okay, check it out.
And now I will tracking our road first. We start our road from Kampung Melayu village, and it's around 40 minutes for our starting point actually. And for your information, Gunung Daun is actually located in Rejang Lebong Regency on Bengkulu province. And yeah, we have actually 12 until 13 hours to get the top, and you know it's really exhausted since this stuff is very heavy road. And welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, so this is our trip. We start from our college, from EIN Churuk. We consist of 11 person in our team. Ozi Ramli, Rahman Prasetyo, Ramsa Aryadi, Rio Sugiarto, and now after we get Kampung Melayu village, we start our hiking in 1 p.m. on local time. So here, this is our trip is begin. We consist of 11 people here, from station members, station ex-members, and some hikers. So our trip is really hard. We start from Kampung Melayu village, and this is my friend Rio. He's really happy. He is enjoying this trip. He's the one of funniest people actually. No, who? He's even can dancing on a long off trip. Oh, I love his dancing. And yeah, this is my bro Rian. Oh, Mr. Rahman. It's actually really funny. And here's we are on the tea plantation. Okay guys, so actually this trip is actually really hard because we have to up and down and up and down. And after we get off forest, we stop for a while and we continue to move to get the shelter one. The road is really hard because the road is really tight and very small steps. The road is really hard. It takes our energy actually. I suggest them to walk slowly to watch your step, and this is our leader, Mr. Kozi Ramli.
Pakai top.
Really hard. but I see my friends, the biggest friends, Aprian Rajali still have a good fatigue.
Tahu kalau jangan mundur Yan, kalau mundur aku nanggungnya sumpah.
Yan,
Alright, Aprian.
jatuh dikit Yan,
Kau jangan kentut
lagi ya.
Kau kentut kau zina
Please
nanggung.
watch your step, my bro.
Aduh.
Then
Wih,
my
kini
friends
madunya,
singing happily.
Iso karo prosotan. Ayo.
Oh, yep. It's really hard. I know. Yeah, but guys, you can see that the landscape of
Kalau serang menit lagi.
tea plantation is quite good. Yep.
Di, kita lihat sejenak.
Oh, Mr.
Di sini
Reza
saja.
is the last man.
Cornelius.
Yep, that's the Twin Mountains. It's really beautiful. We call it Twin Mountains. And we start to walk on the forest at actually 4 p.m. Yep. The road is fucking hard here. It's wet, it's slippery, it's muddy.
Aduh, sempit.
Oh,
Aduh, ngeri.
it makes us really, really exhausted. And you know, this road is actually the one and only road that we have to pass to get top of Mount Daun. And I see all of my friends really excited to get a top because we have dreamed that on the top we will see a beautiful lake, a beautiful volcano lake. Yep.
Ayo, aduh. Mantap.
We have to pass the obstacles here. So many wood here. Alright then. Mr. Gilang,
Wih, pisau ini ngeri.
my friends.
Iya. Iya, iya.
Yep. This is our road to get
Kita jumpa lagi di atas.
shelter 1 because our first destination is shelter 1. Since our friends' condition were not really good, so we decided to have a camp in the middle of the forest, in the center of the forest. It's emergency camp actually. Yep, this is our activity.
Nah itu cetak guys, tak zoom.
Coach Ramli still take a rest. My friends Bro Rian.
Iya. Wih, mantap nih.
This video is quietly dark since our camera is not really supported to make a video in the dark in the night. But yeah, Ramza looks really tired. Mr. Rio
Bang Rio.
with his funny action.
Lah. Madep rene bang.
Yep, I don't know what he did actually.
Topeng monyet nah.
It's very crazy. The craziest people on our team is actually Rio Sugiarto. Due to his komika. Yeah, stand up komika. Okay, after we take a rest, in the next day, in the day 2, our friends try to looking for the water since in the night we live without water actually. It makes our throat get sick, and because we make a emergency camp in the night so we can see any water, and at the morning actually. Yep, this is the part when we have fun together. Mr. Gazi, our artist, always entertain us As always. Yup. All the team can sing together here. I can see their happiness after a really hard night. Okay, we have breakfast now, Mr. Gilang, Mr. Trio.
Madang.
Yup.
Madang. Orang Madang semaput.
We ate really nice. Okay, Mr. Kazi, try to make a vlog. Okay, this is Mr. Fiersa Besari. Oops, no. This is Reza Rezita, our stronger teammates here in this group. For your information, Mr. Reza is a professional traveler. He used to climb Semeru mountain. He got the top of Semeru. Yeah, we continue our trip to pass the forest with the whole of the team, and our friend Aprian looks really exhausted after his a little injury on the night. Yep. We take a rest. Yeah, this is our guide Anggi from Kampung Melayu. Okay, we take a rest for a while because the road is quite hard. It's very challenging. Okay, Mr. Kozi, say something. Yup.
Hey guys, we are
We
here
are here.
in the
Second
second
shelter.
shelter. This is the great place that
Okay,
very
we
recommended
recommended.
for
I
you
see that.
to do camping or
Yeah.
something like that over here. Because the land is
The
kept
land is
landscape,
kept, landscape.
the territorial.
It's quite funny. Okay, now we are in the shelter 2 when the traveler, the hiker, take a rest since the land is kept as Kazi side. Shelter 2. Yeah. For the information in the shelter 2, there is a place that really Instagrammable. We can take a picture on that spot, and yep, we continue our trip. We sing together. Yep. Because he looks like practice their dance competence, and that's good. That's good. Yeah, we can see that the road in Mount Daun is really hard since it just opened at 2018. So not many people can reach the top of Mount Daun. Okay, yeah, this is the hardest spot to get Mount Daun. I call it. Okay, Mr. Aprian, how do you feel?
Tarik nafas dulu, tarik nafas.
Really good. This is our artist.
Kalau kaki sudah mulai pegal, rehat.
Our artist, Mr. Kozi. Hi, Mr. Kozi, say hello.
Nafas ya.
Hi, motherfucker.
And yeah, after the long trip, finally we got the top of Mount Daun, 2,467 above sea level. It's really amazing. with the volcano lake on the highest. Really nice. I even speechless at that time. I see the happiness of the whole of teammates here. I see their expression and wow, wow, wow. This is our primary destination, the top of Mount Daun. And after we get the top, all of teammates met camp areas. We build camp areas here, and after that we take a rest. We try to enjoy the landscape, try to enjoy the creation of God, and that's the lake.
Wah banget. Yalah, sholatnya tahu doa.
So many.
Kapan?
We try to discuss something. Actually, they try to discuss something, and there, above there, Mr. Anggi. I don't know what he did actually. Maybe he create something. Maybe he look something, and yeah, Ramza.
Yeah.
Enjoy the trip. Still exhausted. I can see I can see his face.
Dalan lian nih, Cak. Rek.
I can hear my friends singing together. I don't know what they sing, but I enjoy it.
Mas Anggi.
Okay, Mas Anggi. What do you do? And this is Mr. Gilang. Halo, Mr. Gilang. Oh, he can climb, but he cannot to take the land. To get the land. Yup, Mr. Ghazi. Hanging on the tree. I remember something when I see him. I remember monkey. Oops, sorry, Mr. Ghazi. In a minute. I see another hikers there. Okay, this is our camp area actually. It's really nice. And this is Mr. Hamza, our chef, our professional chef, always cooking. And this is Telapak Kaki Lake, the most beautiful lake I've seen ever. I couldn't believe that on the 2,467 meters above sea level, we can see a really beautiful lake, amazing lake, outstanding lake. What a God creation. After we reach this lake, we take a bath, we enjoy our time, we enjoy our afternoon, and we just say wow, wow, and wow. This is our activity on the afternoon. And for your information, the water that exists on this lake is really cold. And yeah, after we take a bath, we try to cook something here. We make a fries.
Rio mental.
We make bakwan.
Rio
Okay,
mental.
Rio, stay dancing. This is Mr. Anggi. He try to make a very nice and very delicious bakwan. Cozy, hello Cozy. I laugh at you. I laugh at you. I laugh at you.
Ngopo sih, Heng? Aku lo nggak ngerekam kue.
Oof. I can feel the weather is really cold. My hands are freeze. And now finally our meat are ready. With mushrooms, with eggplant, with bakwan, and absolutely with rice. Okay, we are waiting for our meat, our dinner. This is special dinner because we have a dinner in the top of Mount Daun for the first time in my life. Okay, Rahman, I believe in you to divide it. And now it's time to singing. Yep, this is our most favorite song, Pamer Bojo from Didi Kempot. Since we are Sobat Ambiar, we never miss the song. Okay, enjoy our amazing voice. Okay, make a dance, come on, dancing.
Kaptenku, rata surepku, laskap
Cendol dawet. Cendol dawet. I love that word. Really motivated voice.
Entang gintang,
All the team are happy here after the long trip. 2 days trip are paid here. I can see their happiness. I can see their expression, and it's really good. It's really nice, and this is perfect night for us.
Cendol dawet, gintang.
Okay. This night becomes really special, becomes really warm, becomes really amazing, becomes really outstanding. Okay, so we have eat, we have sing, and now it's time to rest. And now, finally, the morning at 12 July 2020. Yeah, we are preparing to back to our home. It's time to go home. We are tired. Actually, we are really tired. But however, we still have a really small spirit, since we have a great story to our friends, to our family at home. Yep, our trip is really hard. This is our friends Anggi from Kampung Melayu. It's a nice person. Okay, we finally got a gates of forest. This is our last. I can see that this is our last part or our last part of really hard roads. Okay, Anggi walk quickly, followed by Trio, then Gilang. Okay. And we decided to check rest on a hut here. Then this is the last lunch. Before we continue our trip, we have lunch together, we sing together to prepare our next trip, because to get the point of
Iku nek kurang asin.
this road, to get the point of sea plantation, we need around 2 hours from this spot, from the gate of
10 gitu.
forest. Okay, so that's all our trip, and see you next time on the another mountain.
Tak berarti, tak berjalan cepat saja.